Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over credit repair tips that I feel that's needed to know as you're going throughout your credit repair journey. But before we get into this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe and press that bell notification button so you'll be notified every single time that I post. Now let's get into the video. I also want to let you guys know I do have some notes that I will be reviewing as we go throughout this video. So the first thing is personal information matters. Personal information definitely matters because a lot of times people go into disputing and they do not clean up their personal information section. It's so important that you only have one name, one address, one date of birth, and so on. The reason being is you go to dispute a debt that's tied to an old address, and a lot of times it's harder to get that debt removed if you have not removed that old address. So make sure before you go into disputing that you clean up your personal information section. The second one is paying collections. Do not pay collections. I repeat again, do not pay collections. The reason being is you go pay a collection, that collection will not be removed from your credit report. Your credit score won't change and you're going to be mad. You're going to be real mad. I will say, if you do pay a collection, you need to make sure that company agrees to a pay to delete. And I only say pay a collection if you do not have time to go through the credit repair process. It's a small collection and you just want to get rid of it. But if you have the time to go through the process of credit repair, I definitely want you to dispute it, challenge it to get it removed. And I'll say this again, if you do pay a collection, make sure you get in writing the agreement for that pay for deletion, because a lot of times I have saw people pay collections and those collection agencies do not delete the debt. So make sure you get it in writing. The third one is never agree to make a payment with the collection agency over the phone. When collection agencies contact you, you don't want to never, first of all, verify yourself. You never want to agree to paying them in general over the phone, through text, through email. Never agree to anything over the phone. I will hang up, but you need to tell them if they want to reach you, they need to send you a letter. Only do communication by mail, because if you agree to a debt over the phone or in general, if you agree to a debt, your statutes of limitations can get restarted, and you do not want that. So make sure you do not agree to anything with those collection agencies. The next one is, if you have an account that was removed from your credit report, that debt is still your debt. So if you don't want that to reappear, you need to go to the original creditor and offer them some type of settlement so it won't reappear on your credit report. Now, if you do not care and you don't mind going through the whole process that you went through to get the debt removed, by all means to do that. I would say, me personally, and for clients, I've never contacted the original creditor to offer settlements. If it did appear, I would just go through the whole process again. But if you want to avoid that, you would just go to that original creditor and offer a settlement. The next one is, you do not need to send your dispute certified when it's going to the bureaus. It's fine. You can just send it regular mail. You just need to keep a paper trail of the dates that you're sending your disputes. Now, when it comes to the collection agencies, make sure that you are sending those certified, because again, a lot of times those collection agencies like to play in your face. So you need to keep track of the date they received it, because they have 30 days to respond to you. You're just playing around in your face. Eventually, you'll have to go report that to the cfpb. Another thing, when you're sending those debt validation letters to the collection agencies, never include any proof of identification for yourself. So don't include a utility bill, a ID, don't include anything, and do not sign your name on that debt validation letter. Just simply send the letter, and that's all that's needed to be sent. The next one is freezing your credit report before you begin disputing. Me personally, I have never done this. I don't know why people say you need to do that, because when it comes to those third party credit reporting agencies, they still gonna verify what they need to verify. So if you feel you need to freeze those third party reporting agencies, by all means do that. But me personally, I have never did that for myself nor my clients, and I was able to get deletions for everyone. The next one is credit limit increases. When it comes to credit limit increases, you need to be asking every 3 months, but only ask if you're paying your bills on time. You need to make sure on your due date you zero out your balance, and the day after your due date, make sure you charge a card for anything under 10%. You let that low balance sit until after your statement day passes. Once your statement day passes, then you'll continue using your card and you'll repeat the cycle. Do this for 3 months and then go to your credit card issuer and ask for a credit limit increase. They definitely will give you one. A lot of times, these companies just want to see that you're using your card and that you're paying them back on time and you're reporting a low utilization. If you're doing that, they will have no problems with giving you a credit card limit increase, and this will help your overall profile. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I have when it comes to the credit tips for you guys. I do have more, but I don't want to have this video too long for you guys. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to me directly. You can leave a comment. I'll put in the description box my email. You can send me an email. I also will put in the description box where you can contact me to set up a free consultation if need be, whether you're in the process of repairing your credit or you just need help building your credit. Please reach out to me. I'm offering free consultations up until the beginning of next year. I'm also offering 50% off credit repair services. I'm trying to help as many people as I can going into the new year. So, yeah, that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.